Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2024 Honda Pioneer 700 four-seater. This has got the automatic transmission, quick flip rear dump bed that you can convert into two rear seats, and it's got some accessories including a nice a windshield that you can pop out, rear windshield. It's got a roof on it. Beautiful condition, only about 300 miles, but it wasn't run very hard. You can tell it's in beautiful shape. Come on down and save big money on the price of a Pioneer four-seater. This one's going for only $13,399. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, or at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.